I sit down. Can you also extend the construction project that you are working on? Extend it to police cells, because come 2025, 16 September, the majority of some of you in front here, you will need those rooms, and you must make sure that those rooms are properly rehabilitated. Make sure mukukonze bwino kulingazi mukukonze kulumbazi mukukonze. Please extend, as you are constructing the houses, extend rehabilitation to police cells. You will need them more when it comes to 2025, 16 September. I sit down. Your
honorable member.
Thank you very much.
Honorable member for
and you